Can this new AI image and video generator beat both RunwayML and Pika Labs? That is what we are going to see in this video, and the name of this tool is LensGo AI, and many people regard this as a all-in image and video generator because it has some crazy features that both Pika Labs and RunwayML doesn't have. Let's just see what are the new features this brings in. So for accessing the website, just go to Google and search LensGo AI. You'll be getting the first link over here. So this is the interface that we have. It is quite similar to all other AI image generators and video generators. We are having some example images that are generated by this LensGo AI. And for those who have a doubt if this is an image generator or a video generator, actually it does both. Here you can see in their home screen they have create images and animate videos. So this can do both. So I don't know how many tools can do this. So first let's see how we can create images. Just click on this create images option, and here you can see we will be having an interface quite similar to Leonardo AI. So here we are having something called as model, but the difference is that this provides us with these many options to choose from. So they have two core models, which is the real, which is the hyper realistic real world images, and they have the anime one. So these are like the core and prime models. They have like super accuracy in this both, and they also have some featured models. So you can just click this, and if you type your prompt, you will be getting an 3D design. So I'm not going to mess around with the featured models, so you can just play around with this. I will just go with a real model, and we have the image dimension, which is the aspect ratio, and you also have the number of images which can be generated. We have the text guidance scale. So let me just type a prompt now, and they also give us so many suggestions to get a prompt. So I'll just go with this prompt, and these are the images that I get, and I won't say these are bad. So these are pretty decent, and some of the images are super good. For example, this one, this is like super realistic, and these images are so cool. And let's just go to the next feature, which is the main one, animate videos. So this does two things. Okay, first is it generates a video from text, and the most important feature is it converts our video into some kind of animation. So let's do both now. So first thing is, let me go with normal video. So for doing that, first let's change the aspect ratio, and we have a video duration which has both normal and longer. We have the camera movement also over here, and we have the same thing, the same model, real, and we have these many things to play around with this. I will keep it real. So I'll just go with a prompt this time. This is the video that I get for the prompt, car going on high speed. So let's just watch this. So I would never say this is bad. This is quite good, but there is some kind of mismatch at the end. So the first half of the video was good, so this was kind of good, but I wouldn't say it's worst. It still tries. Maybe you need to focus more on the prompting side. All right, so this is the first video generation thing. You can just play around with this, and next is going to be the video upload feature. All right, so through this feature we can convert our normal videos into anime videos or anything that they have over here, these options. So for this, just click on upload video, and you need to just select the video which you have. So I'm just going to upload this video that I have over here. So this is basically a video that covers the skyscrapers. All right, I'm just going to upload this video right now, and I'm going to check the anime version of this. So after this is uploaded, you can't choose any of these options. All right, you won't be having access to these things. The only thing that you will be having access is the model. I will just go to model, and I will go with anime prime. So you need to just select that video, and you need to just give a prompt. So I'll just go with anime version of this realistic skyscraper. All right, I'm just going to check this out, and you need to just click on start. So depending upon your video and the model that you give, it may take some time, so just be patient. So this is the video that it has generated for the anime version. So this looks quite good, but the only bad thing is that this is not stable. Like there is so much change in the color grading that is going on, but this looks kind of cool at the end though. In case if you're like doing a transition, this looks like super cool for real. So this is the tool LensGo AI, and let me know in the comments what you feel of this tool, and check the playlist of my channel, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.